Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Facebook app is open and you're signed in. Grant camera permission now because the scanner needs live access. Don't skip this. Once done, tap the search icon or go to your profile menu to reveal the QR scanner option. Facebook hides it in the app. Make sure you're on the official app, and if you're on Android or iPhone, the steps are the same. This prepares your device to capture the QR immediately. You now open the scanner by tapping the QR icon in the search bar or selecting Scan from the menu. This is the only in-app route. Align the code inside the guide and hold the phone steady. Facebook reads codes fast but needs a clear, centered image. If the camera won't focus, tap the screen to force focus or switch to a brighter spot. Once the code is recognized, the app parses it and prepares the linked action. Don't swipe away or press back. Finish by following the on-screen prompt Facebook shows after scanning. You may open a profile, add someone, visit a link, or copy text. Act accordingly. If the scanner fails, confirm camera permission, a working internet connection, and that the app is up to date. Once done, force close and reopen the app or clear cache if it still freezes. Restarting your phone often resolves stubborn camera or permission glitches. That one tip fixes most scanning problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.